Jonas, what are you making today?
Cookies.
Brownies?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm making brownies.
Okay, go ahead and put the water in the bowl. Good job. And now the oil.
Mix it.
Now the eggs.
Now the eggs. Slowly. Can you use 2 hands? Okay, now mix it all together. Don't eat that.
No.
Mix your bowl.
Now mix it a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, what do we put in next?
Yeah.
What do we put in? Slowly pour it in the bowl. Oh, you pick up the whole thing.
Use 2 hands. Mix it. Mix it.
And put it all in there, Bubba.
Hold it right here.
And then mix it.
And mix it.
Whoa.
Oh.
Put your hand down here. There you go.
Cassius, what's your brother making? What's he making?
Cheese.
Grilled cheese. Cake. Brownies.
Brownies. Yeah. I eat brownies.
You do eat brownies.
Don't you guys want to taste it?
Not
You have
yet.
to mix it first.
I want to taste it.
Strong boy. Strong, strong. Use your muscles.
Hey Mom, we're watching.
Hi, Lyric.
Mm. Beep. Mm, beep.
Oh.
Beep.
Poco.
My first tea. I want some juice. I want some tea. I want some tea. I want
Okay.
some tea.
What's
I
the
want
magic
some
word?
tea. I want tea. Pop, please.
Good mixing, Jonas.
My first tea, Pop.
Jonas.
You're thirsty?
Say,
Okay. What do you
Jonas, say tune in next time.
want? Here, let's go see.
Look at
Yeah,
mommy.
don't stand on the table.
Okay, sorry. No.
She's too little.
Okay. Thank you. Say tune in next time, people. Jonas, say till next time. Or not.
Peace
Peace out, Jonas.
Yeah.
What do we have in here?